Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Salesforce Bolt. As I'm already having a blog here like Salesforce, my blog name is also salesforcebolt.com. The name is Salesforce Bolt because I'm usually working on Salesforce Classic and as well as I'm also working on Salesforce Lightning. As you know, it's lightning fast. That's why I named it after the fastest man, the Usain Bolt. Okay. So usually guys I used to write blogs but I was planning to share some videos also because blog पे like कोड चेकआउट करना इन वीडियो में एक्सप्लेन करना इनमें काफ़ी डिफरेंस होता है तो आई थिंक आई कुड एक्सप्लेन अ लिटिल बेटर देन माई ब्लॉग so that's why I'm creating this YouTube channel. The purpose of this channel is just to share the knowledge, nothing else. I'm not going to create a video series जिसमें I'll be like teaching the Salesforce administration part and development part because online already काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं जो यही चीज़ कर रहे हैं वो अपना काम बहुत अच्छे से कर रहे हैं. So I'm not going to create any kind of series in Salesforce. I'm just I'll be sharing the videos, some cool tips and tricks and some of my personal quotes here to help you guys. Okay. So today guys, I'll be sharing a custom VF page and a custom Apex class to create a rating component. Rating, I think आप सबने देखा होगा like comment section आता है किसी भी e-commerce site पे या फिर कहीं पे भी आपने देखा होगा 5-star rating option आता है जिसपे आप you can hover on star and select a star to give the rating to a particular content, a particular blog or a particular thing. So basically आज हम लोग वही rating component VF page and Apex class को यूज करते हुए बनाने वाले हैं. So I'll be sharing my screen now and I'll be sharing the VF page and the Apex class and I'll be explaining like what I did in it to get this thing done. Okay guys, let's get started. As you can see my screen now, let me just show you how to create the rating page. So first of all, to create the star rating, we need two images here. Like the first will be the empty star image and the second will be the fill star image. And we have to save those images in our static resource. Let me just show you. Okay, so in my static resource, I'm already having those images. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, there's an image called fill star and there's another image called empty star. You can download these images from my blog. I will leave my blog's link in the description below. You can see in this blog, there are two images, fill star image and empty star image. You can simply just right click on it and download it. After creating the static resource for those images, we have to create a Apex class first. Let me just show you the Apex class. Okay, there are too many Apex class. Let me just navigate to my rating component Apex class. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so in the Apex class, as you can see, it's just a one line of code here. So in the Apex class, what we are doing, we have just created an integer variable here just to store the rating value. As you can see, the string, the integer variable name is rating, and the getter and setter to get the variable on the VF page. So this will be the code for the Apex class. You can copy the code from the blog here. I will, and now let's get to the Visualforce page. Okay, now this is my rating Visualforce page. Let me click on edit so I could just show you the code and explain it to you guys. Okay, let me just start from the top. Okay, and the top of the page, on the page attribute, you can see my controller here, the rating CTRL. That was my class name. Okay, so here I'm having some styles here. So these are the styles to fill and unfill the stars. As you can see in these styles, I'm having a background URL of the empty star, and below here I'm having the background URL of the fill star. The URL will only come here if you have stored the images as static resource, and this will be your static resource name. Like for the fill star, my static resource name is fill star, and for the empty star, my static resource name is empty star. After that, what we are doing here, as you can see, we have created an output panel here, and after that, we are using the radio button and the select options to show the star values here. Here, as you can see, I have prepared a if condition, like if the rating variable, which we have created in the rating CTRL, let me just show you again. See, the rating variable is here. So here I'm just checking, like if the rating variable is null, so it should display no value return. And if it is not null, then it should display the rating value, which will be the item value of the selected radio button. Okay, so in the radio button, as you can see, I'm using the action support here. Using the action support, I'm calling an event on click, and I'm re-rendering the form. The re-rendering thing is very important here, because if you do not re-render a form or a panel, so the rating value will not be changed. So in the, yeah, so on the on click, we are just rendering the form, nothing else. Okay, now let me just show you the output of the code. And guys, remember, you can download the complete code from this blog. Here you can find the controller and the VF page also. You can just copy and paste the complete code wherever you want. Okay, now let me just click on the preview. Sorry for the bad internet connectivity, guys. During this period, we are not having proper internet connectivity. Okay, yeah. So you can see the page here, and you can see as I'm hovering my mouse here, so the stars are getting filled and empty again. And as you can see, no value selected because we have not selected any stars yet. Now let me just try to select the 3-star. Okay. Now see, as I have clicked on the third number of star, you can see the 3-star rating here. You can store the value as per your requirement in your custom object. And still, after selecting the star, you can change the value. Like suppose I'm selecting the 4-star. So the value has been changed here. The value is now 4-star. So that's the way, that is the way, guys, through which you can just create the rating in Visualforce page using the Apex class, and you can use it anywhere you want, like in the comment section or in e-commerce website if we can use it near any product. Let me know, guys, if you have any question or concerns. You can just comment below. हेलो गाइस, आई होप आपको ये कंटेंट पसंद आया हो, एंड जो मैंने समझाया हाउ टू क्रिएट द रेटिंग कंपोनेंट यूजिंग द वीएफ पेज, आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. एंड इफ यू गाइस आर हैविंग एनी क्वेरीज और एनी क्वेश्चन, यू कैन कमेंट बिलो, and we'll see you in the next one. I'll be preparing at least a video in a week, and I'll be sharing some more interesting content with you. And yeah, that's it. Okay guys, bye. Jai Hind. Peace.